Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basics. Know your Samsung model and Android version because settings differ across models. Turn Wi-Fi off and on, confirm airplane mode and battery saver are off. These block networks. Restart the phone and the router. This clears DHCP and transient issues. Once done, watch whether other devices connect. If they do, the problem is in the phone. Make sure you have the Wi-Fi password and network name ready before moving to detailed fixes. You now work through targeted fixes. Long press the network, choose Forget, then Reconnect. This resets the stored DHCP lease and password. If that fails, go to Settings General Management Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. This clears Bluetooth and VPN conflicts without erasing apps. Update your phone software and, if possible, router firmware to eliminate compatibility bugs. Test connecting to the 4 GHz band versus 5 GHz. Some Samsung phones handle one band better, so you can isolate band issues. You finish with advanced diagnostics. Boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app breaks Wi-Fi. If Wi-Fi works in safe mode, uninstall recent apps. Try assigning a static IP or set DNS to 8 to bypass DHCP/DNS faults. If nothing helps, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This removes deep configuration corruption. Troubleshooting tip. If problems persist after reset, swap the SIM into another phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.